Hey guys, Dome Martinez here. What's poppin'? But today, guys, I just woke up from a nap. And yeah, I'm gonna have to use the bathroom right now. So you're gonna have to hold on. I'm gonna ask you to leave. I'm joking. I'll vlog myself. I don't want to get copyrighted. I forgot there's no light. I'm using the bathroom. Bella, take the vlog. Do not press the end button. Just vlog yourself. Do whatever.
Okay.
Just show them.
Okay. Okay. So the fidget spinners are right here in front of me, and I'm eating a popsicle. So yummy. Look how I'm looking at the mirror.
Vlog. Where are you, vlog? Hey, vlog. Come here. Alright.
I showed them my popsicle. I said I'm eating a
What's
popsicle.
guys?
No, you have to watch that video.
I know. What's going on, guys? Today we're back. And today, guys, I need to clean my room. So let's do that. And let's clean my room. No, I'm joking. Guys, Bella, move her boy. Alright, guys, today we're back with another freaking video. But today, guys, the lighting's horrible. Let's take a time. The lighting's horrible, and I just woke up. And guys, in my last video, the phone versus hammer, the video ended because when it dropped, it stopped. It I don't know what happened. Like the screen went black, but it still kept recording, and then it just stopped. So I'm sorry for that. This video and the next video, it's not the end of this video, but subscribe and like that video if you like the hammer versus phone, and continue on with this video. If you want to go see my last video, go check that one out. It's either up here or somewhere else, or down in the description, or up here, up there, or up here. If it pops up, and watch that after this video. After this video, you can watch the other one. So yeah, mine's horrible. I'm sorry, I can't do nothing about it. It's just my room. Well, guys, today we have
Fidget spinners.
We have 4 different fidget spinners. This one's all black. Can't really hear it. This one's yellow without the bearings. You can hear a lot. This one's just a white fidget spinner. But guess what? This one glows in the dark. And it makes that sound.
I want to do this one.
Nope. You're in my video, Bo. Get out. I'm gonna ask you to leave.
No.
Alright, guys. This one is the new one we got, because we got this one. A guy at my basketball court, the basketball gym, he gave me this one. It's all green, nice.
No, that's not true.
This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like right now talking.
That boy at the basketball thing, he gave it to me, and then I gave it to my brother.
So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to leave it, try not to let it fall. So we're going to have it back here. So we're going to go with the black one first at the end. We're going to go with this one on top. We're going to go with the green one next. We're going to make a tower of fidget. We're going to make a tower of fidget spinner. We're going to go with that one. This is so cool. Alright, we're gonna get to spinning them. So we're gonna go. Hold on.
That's 7
That was
popsicles. That's 7 popsicles.
In one try. Oh my gosh, the bearing came out. Wait, which one fell, guys? Instant replay. I'm joking. I hate this. It sucks. Alright, guys, I look so bad. I think that's better. I think I'll look better in the actual video itself.
I look better.
I just woke up, man. I'm so tired. Right, Bo?
My brain is freezing.
Now stop eating the popsicle.
I can't.
You can. Not you can't. Alright, guys. Apparently, we tried. Now we're gonna do which one spins the longest. We're gonna go.
Can I do one?
No. Here, you spin these two, I spin these two. No, wait, no, it's gonna be hard. You can spin the second round. Bella, get out if you're not gonna be supportive.
Okay, hold on. Let me put them all separate. Make sure they're.
But then you can't see them. Alright, there we go. We're gonna go. Hold on. Back up. Alright, hold on. We're gonna go black. Alright, go. Alright, this one apparently no, because they're crashed. Bella, get the fidget spinner.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. Sorry.
We got this one. We got that one. We got that one. And we got that one.
Oh, this one's stopped.
Alright. We just got them all. Alright, this one's out. No, it's up.
Oh, what?
Alright, let's do that again. Apparently, the yellow one's always going to lose because, look. It goes, and then soon it stops. So it goes like...
I messed it up.
Very fast. Looks some cool
Guys, I messed
stuff.
it up.
Looks cool, and then it stops. So...
No, I messed it up, right?
Why? Why'd you mess it up? Stop. No. We're going to go... Alright, so this one's out.
Okay. Try not to let
still in.
What if these three win? They can't
One of
really
them
see
has
this
to
one.
win.
They can't really see this one because it's black, but they can see this one and this one. Oh, that one's slowing down.
Oh, this one's apparently out because like nothing's on top of that one. It's up to these two fellas.
I hope they win.
Which one do you think will win?
I think the green one will win.
Green?
Because it's a new one
It's a new one. We just got it.
at
Today-
the basketball thing.
Today at the basketball thing, a guy gave it to me. Bella. I think Bella gave it to me. Oh, which one's slowing down? Which one's gonna slow down? That one this black one used to be the bomb.
Oh, it stopped. It's going slow. Can I stop it?
Yep. Champion, winner, exclusive. We're gonna compare them. Alright, look at that. Look at that fidget spinner. Alright. So look at this one. Look at those bearings. And look at these bearings. Those bearings. Compare those bearings to this bearing. Okay. This one's the exclusive. New for me. Fidget spinner. Well, anyways, guys. That has been the vlog and video compare type thingy. That's been the compare type thingy, whatever you want to call it. It's been the video and the vlog, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that like, go like, smash that like button, and you guys, damn, you guys will be cool for me. And yeah, guys, if this can get 10 likes, 10 likes, and 20 views, I'll dab on them. No, I'm joking. I'll make another vlog, and like, I will make another vlog. I'll just, I will pretend to fall in public. I'll go in Walmart any day. I'll vlog it. Going to Walmart, getting groceries, and then pretend to fall around people. Yeah. And guys, that's been the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, you saw me in the background. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to be subscribed and like the video. And that's been the video. Peace out.
totally messed up.
What? How's it not? Oh, I know what to do. Peace.
Oh!